Distract and relax. Mastering, take your mind off, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very useful and common phrase, take your mind off something. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these phrases can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of using this phrase effectively. The phrase, take your mind off something means to stop worrying or thinking about a problem, concern, or stressor by distracting yourself with something else. It's about finding a way to relax and focus on something more pleasant or engaging. This expression is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially in situations where someone is trying to comfort or offer solutions to another person who is going through a tough time. Using take your mind off is pretty straightforward. It is often followed by the word something or a direct object. For example, you might say, I need to take my mind off work, or she took her mind off her problems by reading a book. Notice how the phrase seamlessly integrates into sentences, providing a clear picture of someone diverting their attention away from stress or worry. To fully grasp the usage of take your mind off, let's look at some contextual examples. 1. After a long week of exams, I watched a movie to take my mind off the stress. 2. Why don't you go for a walk? It might help take your mind off things, suggested Tom, seeing his friend upset. 3. Engaging in a hobby, like painting or playing an instrument, can take your mind off worries and rejuvenate your spirit. These examples show how versatile and helpful the phrase can be in encouraging oneself or others to find relief from stress or anxiety. Understanding and using the phrase, take your mind off, can be a game changer in your English communication. It's not just about the words. It's about conveying empathy, offering solutions, and building connections. We hope this video helps you incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary and that you feel more confident in your language skills. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and every phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons in the future.